Oh. So what y'all doing today? We the stars of we are the stars of WWE. But we also like comedy, so we're gonna have a little comedy show right here for you guys.
It's gonna be a new series.
Y'all.
Not as big as WWE though.
But it's gonna be funny.
Mhm.
Okay.
No, you do.
Okay. So what do you have?
I don't know. That's something not
What's my
like it.
show?
That's something not like it.
Oh, knock jokes. Okay. We're gonna start with the knock jokes. I don't know how we're gonna do this with a webcam, but
Here, instead of that, we'll just
yo mama jokes.
yeah, your mama dude. We'll have a your mama award. Okay, here we go.
You go first, buddy.
Your mama says that when the only way to get her through the door is put a Twinkie on the other side.
Nice.
Listen.
Your mama's so fat and ugly. When she started to walk on the beach, the whales popped out of the water and saying, "We are family." I love that song, by the way.
Okay. Mama's so stupid. When she saw a bunch of white kids drive by, she said, "Stop that Twinkie."
Your mama's so stupid. When they said Christmas around the corner, she's like, "What corner? Where? I don't see Christmas."
Okay. Your mama says she picked up batteries off the button, like, I got the power.
I think of one.
Well, this is probably going to be on every episode of this. There's going to be a Yo Mama Award.
Yeah, Yo Mama Award. Just to tell you,
You can send in Yo Mama Drew.
please. So I have something to say because we don't have any script, so I have to think of stuff during the show. So please send in some Yo Mama jokes. Okay. You think one.
It's probably not going to be as long as this one, yeah.
Yeah, because if you send in some Yo Mama jokes, it'll be shorter because we'll know what to say. Okay. Your mom was so stupid that when it started snowing, she thought it was sugar.
Your mom said stupid that can't enter the stupid contest and they said, sorry, no professional.
I love that one.
Okay, that's the end of the Yo Mama Award this week. Okay, but
we're still gonna keep this show going because we can't just leave you all guys hanging with the Yo Mama jokes.
okay, so what can we do next?
Well, I'm thinking about something that has to do with pillows.
Oh, like the pillow blooper?
Yeah, the pillow blooper. Let's get your pillows. While you guys are waiting, I'd like you to know that coach. Mr. Stole. Don't drink Coke Milk all, to the place you never want to go to. Not saying that was exactly. But seriously. You gotta see this pillow with his legs.
Here.
I'll be like, yeah. Oh yeah. Okay. Hey, I can do. Hey, I want to go down with some money bird.
Oh!
So.
My stomach hurts.
Oh, it's crazy.
It's crazy. Oh my god. Oh god. Hey, look, it's my son. He's going baby.
We got twins, baby, so look alive. Oh, here's my wife. She actually got good. How you're blowing? I'm playing games, but I can't see the screen. Oh, now I can see it. Where's the bottom screen? Can you see it?
No.
I can't see it either. Well, there is no touch screen to this. These people are messed up. I need my shell phone. Where the dang is the keyboard? Can't find the keyboard. Can you guys tell me where the keyboard is on this thing? I mean, I can't see it. Oh yeah, my phone. Go. Look at me. You like my six pack? Get in my belly. Yeah, I could just go to sleep on this thing.
Okay, now it's time to the next order.
But first, we gotta stop acting like Santa Claus and get this out of my stuff. Wait. Oh, I just gave birth to a pillow.
Oh my god.
Okay. What are we doing next?
Let's see here.
Annoying your little sister while she's asleep.
No, she'll probably get mad. That'll be in the next episode.
Yeah, when we don't need the charger.
Yeah.
Because the charger's in use mine more. What are you doing?
Oh, I have a perfect one.
So, while you're waiting, we should go out and buy the new DSi. It'd be awesome.
The world's sunniest band.
Oh. We rock. Woo! And that's the world's suckiest band. They rock all the heaven. Woo! I could just sleep on this thing. I can't believe how me and man do this to a pet.
Whatever, right?
Wow, I think that hope is
Okay, we'll see you in the next hilarious episode of this comedy show.
Bye.
Bye.
Let's say